How's it going, friends? ogfredolive here, and welcome to the RK5 in Cops and Robbers. Yes, I've been searching around for all the workshop guns, and I found my favorite gun in Black Ops 3, the RK5. If you guys don't know what the RK5 is, it's basically like that first pistol in Black Ops 3, which is pretty good in zombies. I'm not gonna lie, I actually love using it in zombies a lot. If you guys are actually a Call of Duty player of zombies, leave a comment down below. We can play some Black Ops 4 zombies on my PS3. Because, my picture is broken and I'm fucking poor to get fixed. But anyways, let's get this going. So, I've been upgrading this gun a lot, as you can tell by the screen. So basically, I upped the fire rate, and yeah. Just look at that fucking range. You gotta be fucking kidding me. This thing's like deadly with the headshots, I'm not gonna lie. So this is gonna take like more than 4 shots to kill. As you can see. So I just went on to a full burst right here because you can't make a free burst gun in this game for some reason. But yeah. So I kind of did not modded this. I just didn't know when I first tried it out. Basically, all of this, like the range was so good. I just didn't know. Just like, look at this. Look at that fucking range. You can't tell me that's actually OP. Okay, now that's a little bit different. There we go. Gotta like hug the wall for a moment. It might do a little bit of damage, but this thing is actually overpowered without cards. I'm not gonna lie. If you put continuous on this, like if you upgraded it with the exact like things I put on this thing will be overpowered with S continuous card on it. How I know this? Because S con is actually pretty good. That's what I heard. So yeah. I just like this pistol for some reason. I just like it. But just look at this. Glorious. So let me show you. So I did a lot of upgrading to the gun. So I did night. So here's what you're gonna do. Once you fully upgrade it, go for 2 clips, which for 11. Go for 120 fire rate and 10 power. This will actually give you a lot of stuff you can do. Because look, I didn't even upgrade the effective range or the accuracy. It's just how it is. And it did change a little bit with the pistol, but, But anyways, so yeah, I have the gun right here in my inventory. See no cards. Because I have no good, because I want to get rid of my B cards. And I might get this to A. Because, just by the way it looks. But anyways, let's get to the gameplay. Alright, we found a match. Okay, so we're in sniper's range. Yep. A glorious map. Oh, this guy used, of course, someone has to use a FAMAS. course, a tryhard. I think it's none of their live. Bruh. Yeah, that's a hacker. Definitely a hacker. Finally got a kill. Jesus. Yeah, so you see, those are like the new event guns that came out. I did make a video on them, if you guys want to go check it out. That's in my channel. Just look up, you know, go into my channel and find that video. Because it's really good. I put all my hard work on it.
Victory.
Oh, alright, we're gonna do that match again. That poor guy. Yeah, I might just have to go on this team. I know this might ruin my KD, but I have to do it. I can just leave the poor guy just left to die, spawn camped on this map. Ooh, that guy's using an assault. The assault's actually a pretty good weapon, I'm not gonna lie, but it's only good cards, you see? Come on, who's gonna come this way? Oh yeah, I guess I did spend some of my gems on the green thing, because I actually like it. I just love the green tracers for some reason. And we got, okay, yeah, the kid's actually sniping. I don't feel like sniping right now, so... Reload my pistol. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh my god, shut up! Am I... Yep, I got disconnected. Oh, I was about to say, if I got disconnected. We're running low of this ammo right here. Ah! Holy shit, this thing fucking beams. Okay, there's one coming this way. Oh, 1 HP. Oh, fuck. Fuck. What? How? Oh, yeah. They're using the mutation. So. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna have to switch to their team because this is gonna be unfair advantage. So, of course, Kid was just waiting there for me. Dude, I don't know. People are gonna think I'm a fucking hacker because of this rap, because of this fucking rap, because of this. Oh my god, just thing just deletes. I'm just gonna say that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to. Okay. That's all we're gonna have to do for this video. Oh my god, I do not want to play your stupid game because when I first buy the fucking game, the game fucking crashes. Sorry about that. But you know, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do like the video, hit that like button. It supports my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.